Welcome to Learning Digitally, the YouTube channel dedicated to exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, AI. Join us on Learning Digitally as we embark on an exciting journey into the realm of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, perception, and decision-making. AI technologies are used in a wide range of applications, from autonomous vehicles and natural language processing to healthcare and finance. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with one another. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is already changing the way we go about our daily lives. AI draws upon a variety of fields, including computer science, mathematics, philosophy, and neuroscience, to create machines that can learn and adapt on their own. These machines can process vast amounts of data and recognize patterns, enabling them to perform tasks that previously required human intelligence. There are several types of AI, including narrow AI, also known as weak AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as recognizing images, processing language, or playing a game. Narrow AI systems are trained on large datasets and use algorithms to make decisions based on that data. They cannot function outside their intended domain and lack the flexibility and adaptability of human intelligence. Narrow AI systems are already in use in many industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. For example, in healthcare, AI algorithms are used to analyze medical images and help diagnose diseases. In finance, AI is used to detect fraud and manage risk. In transportation, self-driving cars use AI algorithms to detect obstacles and navigate roads. Some examples of narrow AI include reactive machines, self-aware machines, self-driving cars, image recognition systems, and virtual personal assistants. General AI, also known as strong AI or artificial general intelligence, AGI. General AI is designed to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. These AI systems are designed to think and reason like humans, with the ability to learn from experience and adapt to new situations. So this type of AI would be capable of understanding and learning any intellectual task that humans can do, and would be able to transfer knowledge and skills from one domain to another. While we have not yet developed general AI, many researchers are working towards this goal. However, general AI is still largely in the realm of science fiction, but research is ongoing to develop machines that can reason, plan, and solve problems at a human level. The development of general AI would have vast implications for society, including the potential for machines to take over many jobs currently performed by humans. It's worth noting that there is also a third type of AI, known as artificial superintelligence, ASI. This is a hypothetical future form of AI that would far surpass human intelligence in all areas. However, ASI is purely speculative at this point and is not yet a reality. Key concepts in AI. There are several key concepts in AI that are fundamental to the field, including machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that can learn from data. Machine learning algorithms can be supervised, unsupervised, or semi-supervised, and are used in a variety of applications, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. One example of machine learning in action is fraud detection in the finance industry. Credit card companies use machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data and detect fraudulent transactions. The algorithm can recognize patterns in the data that may indicate fraud, such as multiple large purchases in a short period of time. Another example of machine learning is in the field of image recognition. Google Photos uses machine learning algorithms to automatically tag photos based on the content of the image, such as beach or dog. Deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks to model complex patterns in data. Deep learning has been particularly successful in areas such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. Deep learning has made significant advancements in image recognition, with applications in fields such as self-driving cars, medical imaging, and security systems. For example, Google's DeepMind developed a deep learning algorithm that can diagnose eye diseases from retinal images with the same accuracy as human doctors. Deep learning has also revolutionized speech recognition technology, with virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa using deep learning algorithms to understand and respond to natural language commands. Google's WaveNet is a deep learning model that can generate realistic speech in multiple languages, with applications in text-to-speech and music synthesis. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a subfield of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand and generate human language. NLP techniques are used in applications such as virtual assistants, chatbots, and language translation. One example of NLP in action is chatbots, which are becoming increasingly popular in customer service. Chatbots can understand and respond to customer inquiries in a natural, conversational way, without the need for human intervention. Another example of NLP is in the field of sentiment analysis. Companies can use NLP algorithms to analyze customer feedback, such as social media posts or product reviews, to determine overall sentiment and identify areas for improvement. Robotics. Robotics involves the design and development of machines that can perform tasks autonomously, using sensors and AI algorithms to navigate and interact with their environment. One example of robotics in action is in the field of manufacturing. Robots can be used to perform repetitive tasks, such as assembly line work, with greater speed and accuracy than humans. Another example of robotics is in the field of healthcare. Robotic surgery systems use AI algorithms to guide surgical tools and perform procedures with greater precision than human hands. Cognitive analysis. Cognitive analysis involves the use of AI algorithms to understand and interpret human thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This can be used in a variety of applications, such as marketing, healthcare, and education. One example of cognitive analysis in action is in the field of marketing. Companies can use AI algorithms to analyze customer data and gain insights into consumer behavior and preferences. This can help them to tailor their marketing strategies and product offerings to better meet the needs of their customers. Another example of cognitive analysis is in the field of mental health. AI algorithms can be used to analyze patient data and help diagnose mental health conditions, such as depression and anxiety. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and stay blessed.